My problem before joining Beyond Payment System was that I wasn't able to pass on bank charge compliantly to my customers. What's been fantastic is that I've been able to operate my business with a terminal that allows me to be able to not incur the costs that the bank has charged. The results that I've got from Beyond Payment Systems have only been positive. I was initially a little bit concerned about customer reaction. That was dissipated within the first day. Customers were encouraging me to be able to do so because they understood the nature of it, and the system itself provided great ease. I would recommend Beyond Payment Systems unequivocally because I truly believe that something that saves you time and also saves you money is of great benefit. I'm always after something that makes life easier for me, and this system has.